Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Brother printer drivers using Brother iPrint&Scan, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Brother support website. In the search bar, type your printer model. Press the enter key to initiate the search. Find and click on the correct printer model from the list. Once on the product support page, look for the download section. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate driver from the list of available downloads. Click on the download button next to the driver. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Connect your Brother printer to your computer if prompted. Select the connection method you prefer, such as USB or wireless. Complete the installation by clicking Finish at the end of the setup. Open the Brother iPrint&Scan app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, ensure your printer is powered on and connected. Tap the Add Printer option in the app. Select your Brother printer from the list of available devices. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the connection. Your Brother printer drivers are now successfully installed. You can now use Brother iPrint&Scan to print or scan documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.